Most people believe building wealth needs a huge salary, a lucky break, or some secret nobody tells them. The truth is far simpler. Wealth is built by a handful of quiet habits, repeated every single month, for years. Here are 7 that genuinely work. None of these need a finance degree, a big income, or perfect timing. You can start every one of them today, with whatever you earn right now. Let's get straight into it. Habit 1: Pay yourself first. The very moment your income lands, move money into savings, before rent, before bills, before a single impulse purchase. The trick is to automate it. Set a standing transfer of 10 to 20% on payday, and saving stops being a decision you fight and becomes a default you never even notice. Habit 2: Give every dollar a job. A simple written plan beats raw willpower every single time, because you decide where your money goes before the temptation shows up. Try the 50-30-20 split, 50% to needs, 30 to wants, and 20 to savings and debt. Now your money has a clear direction before the month even begins. Habit 3: Build a safety net. One surprise, a car repair, a medical bill, or a lost job, is all it takes to wreck an otherwise perfect budget. So aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, sitting in cash you can reach instantly. It isn't glamorous, but it's the line between a small setback and a full financial disaster. Habit 4: Kill high-interest debt. Credit card interest compounds against you every day, quietly draining money you worked hard to earn. Pay your cards in full each month, or throw every spare dollar at the highest rate first. Every dollar you're not losing to interest is a dollar that stays yours. Habit 5: Invest early, and stay boring. Time in the market beats trying to time the market, and slow, steady investing usually wins in the end. Because of compounding, money invested in your 20s can multiply many times over by the time you retire. You don't need to be clever here, you just need to be consistent. Habit 6: Grow the gap between what you earn and what you spend. That gap, not the size of your salary, is what actually turns into real wealth. So when you get a raise or a bonus, save the difference instead of upgrading your lifestyle. Beat lifestyle creep, and every single raise quietly makes you richer. Habit 7: Track your net worth. What gets measured gets improved, and this one number keeps you honest month after month. Once a month, add up everything you own and subtract everything you owe. Watching that number climb, month after month, keeps you motivated through the boring middle of the journey. So there they are. Pay yourself first, give every dollar a job, build an emergency fund, kill high-interest debt, invest early, grow the gap, and track your net worth. You don't need all 7 at once. Pick just one, and start it this week. Grab our free budgeting and net worth tools at marifa.net, and subscribe for a new money skill every single day.